Hi there. I want to let you know about my free email course on private equity value creation models. It will teach you how to separate GP value add from broader market and industry forces, normalize returns for different leverage levels within private equity portfolio companies, properly adjust for financing and M&A activities like add-on acquisitions and dividend recapitalizations, and even quantify the impact of certain ESG initiatives in private equity deals. The course is based on content in my book, blog, and subscription site, but it's designed for private equity analysts who may not have the time to tackle 200 pages of math. Every few days, we'll send you one new email that should only take about 5 minutes to read. Each features a short video with links to more comprehensive explanations and Microsoft Excel templates that will give you a head start with your own value creation models. General partners can use them to show exactly how their investment strategies and value creation plans drive ROI and differentiate themselves from other managers who might have similar returns. Limited partners can use them to screen for investment opportunities and measure whether GP fundraising narratives are supported by the numbers. And researchers can use them to better understand broader market and industry trends. The course includes over 60 lessons. If you read them all, you will thoroughly master the private equity value bridge. But I think that casual readers will also benefit and generate great ideas for their next investment committee memo, fundraising deck, or PPM. You can subscribe today at exiliamath.com/email-course.